Understand? If you are master of one thought current, I don't even question your mastery. Please keep it to that. Pouring milk on linga is the subject of agama, not the subject of yoga. It's a subject of agama. If you have reverence for agama, reverence enough to listen to the sacred sentiments of agama, understand? When you read the scriptures, if you have enough reverence and feeling connection, the sentiments, layers of sentiments behind those words will resonate in your heart. Once I had that experience. There is a beautiful book called Sri Sri Ramakrishna Munti in Bengali. In English it is translated as Portrait of Sri Ramakrishna. And I started learning, reading and writing Bengali just to read this book. And my sannyas guru Hamsanandapuri, he was staying in a place called Telghat in Calcutta. There was a huge company, Burn Standard Motors, or Burn Motors. I forgot the company name. In front of that company, there is a small ghat called Telghat, and where he used to stay. He's old person who can't read. He was too old. I think he must be at least above 100. Only above 100 we call old in India. And he can't read. He will ask me, hey, read this Ramakrishna Punti. And I still remember how just in few hours, in 48 hours, he just literally blessed me to read and write Bengali. And still I remember some of the lines. Jaya Jaya Ramakrishna Vanja Kalpataru, Jaya Jaya Ramakrishna Jagatir Guru, Jaya Jaya Ramakrishna Sabaya Sarane. Ishtagoshti Gan. It's a inaugural verse. I bow down to Ramakrishna, who is Vanja Kalpataru. I bow down to Ramakrishna, who is Jagater Guru, means the universal Guru. Jaya Jaya Ramakrishna Ishtagoshti Gan. Shobhayar Shorene Renu Mageye Adam. Let me have the feet dust of all who lived, worshipped, revered, connected with Sri Ramakrishna. Understand, it is not the lines. The way he will sit while I am reading out those lines, the reverence he will show for that scripture made me realize the sacred sentiments loaded in those verses. I will literally feel every line is loaded with so much of feeling connection. The way he will treat that book and the way he will sit, even though being so old, will not even stretch his leg if I am reading out this book for him. He literally gave me the power to read and write Bengali in 48 hours. So I can read out this book for him. To understand the scripture, first of all, you need reverence. Second, deep feeling connection. So, the sacred sentiments loaded in that scripture reveals itself to you. Sacred sentiments are always a patni, with shyness. Understand? A patni with shyness will reveal herself to you only in a deep love and feeling connection. She is not prostitute. Logic is prostitute. You don't need anything. It will open itself in front of you. But sacred sentiment of feeling connection is patni, kulastri with shyness. You need a deep reverence and feeling connection for her to reveal herself to you. Understand, if you read scriptures, if you have a reverence for the scriptures, if you have feeling connection for the scriptures, declare that first and then talk about the matters of scriptures. The alternative pop mythologists are not gurus and acharyas of Hinduism. Alternative, overrated pop mythologies. Listen to the words I am using. Overrated pop mythologies. Don't comment on the subjects of Agama. It is hurting our religious sentiments. The fruit of our whole life. Understand? In those days, the best possession you can have is a cow. The work you need to do whole day is taking care of them. So the fruit of your whole day's action, the karma pala, is a milk. And you churn that and get ghee. So it is the essence of your whole day's work. We decide to take part with that essence, with Sadashiva, as our gratitude offering, the offering of the sacred sentiment we carry about Sadashiva. We carry with Sadashiva. We carry towards Sadashiva. This kind of a interpretation is like, now I am saying, pour the life essence milk on Sadashiva. Later on, somebody who sees this video and saying, yes, he's in our ashram only, let us pour on him. Not on that Sadashiva, I am talking about this Sadashiva. Brahmachari Sadashiva. If somebody later on interprets, yes, Swamiji told about this boy only. How completely confusing interpretation it is. That is what exactly these guys are doing here. When we pour it on Sadashiva, these guys call it, we pour it on Linga. Hey. Where it falls does not matter. On whom it is expected to fall matters. Where it falls does not matter. Remembering whom it is poured matters. Where it falls is mundane. Remembering whom it is poured is sacred. To whom it is poured is Sat. Where it falls is mundane. Change your name to Mundane Guru. If you are looking at only where it falls and making comments on it, to whom it is poured is Sat. Where it falls is mundane. We don't care about it. We poured it for somebody else. We poured it for somebody else. To whom we poured matters, not where it falls. I'll continue to help you to discover the blind spots. Understand the reverence, sacred sentiments associated with our actions needed to be understood with that very strength of that sacred sentiment and feeling connection. First of all, the logical systems evolved for self-consoling answers should not be applied on sacred rituals. If you apply, as Mundaka Upanishad says, avidyayam antare vartamana swayam dhira panditam manyamana janganyamana paryantimuta ante naiva niyamana yatantaha, living amidst the ignorance and thinking themselves with false pride that we are the wise scholars, being learned in the scriptures as we are. They don't even feel that they are learned in the scriptures, but they think they are capable of solving all problems of the universe.